crown. Okay, well, most people would think that's what the queen's got on her head. But with gardeners, the crown of a plant is the point where the stems meet the roots. It's, in other words, right there at the soil level, that's the crown. And it's where roots turn into stems or stems turn into roots. And in a perennial, of course, it'd be fleshy, and in a tree or something else like that, it'd be woody. So it's just that junction of that transition area.
All right, so that's the crown.
That's the crown. It's not what the king or the queen wears on their head, but our crown, we used to, when we were kids, we'd crown each other. That means you just bop each other in the head with your fist. I'm gonna crown you.
The crown.
Yeah, I'm gonna crown you. Put a knot on your head.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.